In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive chats on WhatsApp web. If you've ever cleaned up your chat list by archiving conversations and now need one back in view, this walkthrough will make it quick and stress-free. We'll go from opening WhatsApp web to restoring a specific chat to your main list with a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for WhatsApp web. Click the official result that takes you to the WhatsApp web page. For the smoothest experience, use a modern, up-to-date browser and make sure you have a stable internet connection on both your computer and your phone. On the WhatsApp web page, you'll see a QR code. To log in, use your phone's WhatsApp app to scan this code so you connect the same account you use on your mobile. If you see the option to log in using your phone number instead, you can follow that on-screen flow as well. If the QR code times out, just refresh it on the page. Once your account links successfully, your chats will load on the left sidebar. After you're logged in, focus on the left side where your chat list appears. At the very top, you'll find an archived section. Sometimes it shows as an icon that looks like a box with a downward arrow, and other times it appears as a label that says Archived. If you don't see it right away, scroll to the top of the chat list. Click Archived to open the folder of conversations you've tucked away. Now browse to find the specific chat you want to bring back. If you have a long list, you can use the search bar above the chat list and type the contact name or group title to narrow it down. When you spot the conversation you want to restore, move your mouse cursor over it. As you hover, a small downward arrow or menu icon will appear on the right side of that chat row. This icon stays hidden until you hover, so don't worry if you don't see it at first. Click that arrow to open the menu, then select Unarchive Chat. As soon as you do, the conversation will leave the archived section and return to your main chat list on the left. That's it. Your chat is back where you can access it quickly. If you use a setting that keeps chats archived, make sure it's turned off if you want new messages to pull conversations back automatically, and you're done. Open WhatsApp web, log in, head to Archived, hover for the menu, and unarchive the chat you need. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.